Hi folks, welcome to Guarantee. My name is Dib and today we're going to show you this 2021 Coachmen Catalina Trail Blazer. It's a toy hauler, basic toy hauler, really nice, rugged, no fuel station on it, but everything else is available. It is the aluminum siding. So Coachmen builds more homes also, so we trust this product. It got a lot to give. So we're gonna go inside and show you a couple of things. Okay, we're inside now, the Catalina 26. Really nice ambiance in here. There's two chairs, you got two couches, even the deck with a patio on it, with a screen. Lots of storage around, LED lights. Really nice kitchen here. I like this double sink in here with a nice faucet with a window outside. Some storage, not too much, but some storage in the kitchen, which is very impressive for a toy hauler. As we go around, you can see the fridge, nice fridge, AC in it already, heat, you name it. Let's look at the shower. Look at that enclosed shower. That's pretty cool. Lots of elbow room in there. And of course a bedroom. So this coach will give you a lot, for hauling, not necessarily just toys, but anything you want, it holds it. Let's go outside and show you more stuff. Here we go, we're outside and you can see the outside awning is power awning, nice with LED lights. Outside speakers, they even lit up at night, they give you that blue ambiance kind of thing. And of course we're going to supply you with batteries, hoses, all that good stuff when you take delivery. Alright folks, there is more information available on this Coachmen Catalina 26. My name is Dib. Please give me a call, 541-515-1237. Thank you.